has been brought to my attention that the Honda Fit is very slow. Yeah, you can K-swap it, you can install a turbo kit on it, but why do you want power? It's a Honda Fit, bro. This car was designed for grandma and aunties. This car was made for the true enthusiast, the pinnacle of motorsports. So anyway, we're going to make it sound cooler today. You're damn right. Quick rundown on the Honda Fit. This is a 1.5 liter. It makes like, I don't know, 85 horsepower. You're not doing big baller race car things in this car. As the saying goes, it's always fun to drive a slow car fast than a fast car slow.
I am Kanye West, and I approve this message.
Today's mod is a mod that I did on my black Fit that I wanted to do on this Fit because I want to maximize the sound, man. Like, I want to feel cool. The car looks cool. The car looks cool as hell, but I want to now sound cool. I got the HKS axle back, and the only thing left to do really is a short ram intake install. Today's video is brought to you by the homies over at HPS. We're installing an HPS intake on old girl here. Let's get it. If this is your first time watching a Fit video of mine, what happened? I previously had a black Honda Fit that was just, it was my baby, man. It was my baby. I ended up selling it, and then like I think a year later or months later, I ended up picking up a, what's this, steel gray metallic Fit. Ended up doing a build series on that, and that is the Fit that I'm working on today. I ended up painting the car white, doing the whole spoon style thing to it, which wasn't even my goal, but somehow it ended up being what it is. I always wanted a white Fit. So I didn't really get to finish the build on my previous Fit, the black one, because I was gonna paint that white, but all in all, I'm here today. So during that build series on the black Fit, I did an HPS intake install, I did radio, I did all the things you wanna do to a Honda Fit if you have a manual. This one, however, is automatic. But it's okay that it's an auto tragic because, bro, sport Fits are just fun as hell. Paddle shifting make you feel like you're in a Beamer or something. Something cool, I guess. Maybe I'm just lying to tell myself that to feel better. So the goal of today is to remove the factory airbox and install our HPS unit. So first things first, let's go ahead and start the breakdown process of getting everything out. Battery has to come out, the cowl has to come out, the wipers have to come off, the wiper assembly has to come off. This cover that the cowl sits on has to come off. There's a lot of stuff that has to come off. It would make sense to do spark plugs right now, but I got so used to taking this thing apart that it is what it is. Let's get it done.
Wake up and lace up my sneakers, I'm always dressed to kill. Each time I speak, I'm at peak to bring me some extra ears. Feel it in my soul, in my sleep, I breathe till the winds get sealed. Don't go while the rest sit still, beast mode on a run all year. Work till the funds all here, can't stop till the path all clear. Slim run a sweatshop and a pet shop, cause the dogs all here. Even in the dark I appear, shine through the fall for a little.
So yeah, all of that has to come off in order for you to have access to the header, spark plugs, things of that nature. But today's agenda, we're just getting this airbox out. Now the airbox is easy. We got to disconnect the battery, remove the battery and the tray. Then you have a 10 mil bolt there, then you have one there, and then you loosen that Phillips clamp screw right there. Remove this hose, and then this whole thing should just pop out. Yeah. It's always a trip to see how my evolution of content creating from when I had my first Fit to now, and how I go about showcasing things on camera. It's cool. It's like a little growth thing. I'm so glad I made these videos, bro, to be honest.
Keys still dropping flows like I got a hole in the ceiling, stepping on them every week in the middle of January, bringing heat. Nah, I ain't finna sleep, and I had hard before I had a beat. Odds had to stay steep, turned to a goat from a black sheep. Writing notes in the back seat, burn holes in the black tee. Now I'm breaking molds with a big tried, I'm unshakable, they can't break me down. Still on location.
How cool would it be to manually convert the fit? I think that would be so cool, bro. I think that would be the coolest thing ever. Maybe K-swap it down the road eventually. I would love to. Like, I kind of regret getting a auto fit. Like, I love my automatic fit. But imagine if I would have got a manual fit, dog. Pain. OE box is removed, and what we're greeted with is a lot of sensors. If something goes wrong, this one I'm gonna have to fix. I really want to manual convert my fit, dog. All I would need to do is just take off the gearbox, put on a manual gearbox, and bypass all the... Bro, there's a dipstick for the transmission fluid? Huh. 139,000 miles on this car. I bought it with 123,000. Like I mentioned, here in this box we have the HPS intake. I totally forgot the color I went with for this intake arm. I think I went with blue to match the whole like spoon thing, but I'm not sure. But again, this intake comes from HPS. The reason why I like HPS is because they don't throw check engine lights. You might buy like a cheap eBay intake arm and it sounds good, but you might have a check engine light code. With the HPS intake system, you don't have that. And it sounds good, bro. Like for what it is, bro, they did a big one with this intake. So from the first fit to the second fit, HPS is the way to go, brother. Have the hardware right there. Boom, boom, boom. Intake arm right here. Oh, we got more stuff? Oh, is this the arm? Oh, this is the filter. Yeah. Oh, it's the arm. So yeah, I did go with blue. I went with the whole blue theme to match the spoon theme I got going on with the white car, the blue brakes, the blue banner. Oh my goodness, look at that, bro. Look at that ice, bro. Quavo, where you at, fam?
Ice, 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 yeah.
Where you at, Quavo?
Ice, 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 yeah.
Quantavious?
Ice, 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 yeah.
Yes, sir. So we got the blue arm, the clamps that we need, and then I believe this is the filter. And they can be cleaned. HPS branding. I feel like you rarely see this anymore in packaging, but this is your quality control paper or slip. held off from doing any pulls or like getting into Vtec because I want to hear how this thing sounds with you guys. Like a general reaction. I wonder if there's really a difference of noise. So I have the microphone inside the car with me, which is why my audio sounds so peak and clear. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in sport mode. I'm gonna bring it down in second gear. Oh yeah! You hear that Vtec? You hear that Vtec? Yo, hold on. Hold on. No. Chill, Zosh. Chill. Bro, I gotta put the microphone inside. I got to put the microphone in the engine bay for this. Oh my God. Hold on, bruh. Go to second gear. Bring it down. You hear that Vtec? No, bro, the fit's sliding. Oh shit. Oh nah, bruh. Nah. No way. Alright, I'm gonna do a first gear pull. Oh no. Oh, that's wild, bro. That's wild. Nah, bro. People be hating on the little auto tragic fit, but if it's a sport, bro, you got the little paddle shifters, gang. You got the paddle shifters, gang. All right, first gear. We're in the first gear. First gear pull. Let's get it. Oh shit. Dog, the fit sounds so good, bro. Oh my God. Dog, the fit sounds great. Oh man. Oh man, I'm ecstatic. I'm ecstatic. Bro, I love the fit, dog. Driving a slow car fun is just, being able to do pulls in the fit and barely touch the speed limit is peak male performance. 100%. 100%. It's peak male performance, bro. This is what you do. Off it up. Bro, do you hear the Vtec? No way, bro. Oh my gosh, the fit feels so fun to drive. Like, I'm dead ass sliding in the fit. Oh, this is so fire.
It's a fast car.
This is a K24 swap Honda Civic EK Coupe that me and my best friend picked up to build for the channel for content and to also do a giveaway on. Yes, the automotive industry on YouTube is flooded with everyone doing giveaways. What makes our giveaway different? It's by a black and brown person. Nah, I'm kidding. I have no idea what makes it different. I just know that one of you guys are going to take home one badass car for only $3. Enter now at membersofmarauder.com.